hack videos. I don't know about you, but I am always looking for new ideas and different hacks, especially when it comes to stuff for my horses. So today I want to share with you 5 different equestrian hacks that are very affordable and very inexpensive, and I thought they might benefit you. Hello, awesome equestrians! I'm Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to make the most of the time that you have with your horse, start now by subscribing to my channel and clicking the little bell notification icon so you won't miss anything. Hacks are awesome. I love hacks. Doesn't matter if it's horse related or something you can do in your house, DIY related. A hack is awesome no matter which way you look at it. But today I have 5 different hacks, and some of them you probably already know, but just in case I thought I would share them with you. So hack number 1, baby wipes. Baby wipes are awesome for your barn. You can get them in the big container and you can get them in the little travel size container too. They work great for your horses for cleaning out their noses, under their tails, cleaning out their eyes, and they also work really good for you. I need this right now. It's dirty. So when you're at the barn and you don't want to be all dirty and nasty, just use a baby wipe. They work great. Most baby wipes now are unscented and fragrance free, so you don't have to worry about your horse having a reaction or anything to them. And they're very affordable, and just throw them away when you're done. And you can also refill them, which is also another bonus. The next hack I have for you, and I'm sure lots of you already know this, but in a pinch, coconut oil is the absolute best hoof oil I have ever used on my horses. And it's also very, very affordable. This is a 30-ounce jar of coconut oil, and I think it was like $6.50 at Walmart. It's nice in the summertime because it gets real liquidy, and that's brand new, so I don't want to spill it all out. So it makes it really nice to go on your horse's hooves. And this is kind of a bonus hack. If you don't have a hoof brush, you can just use a paintbrush, dip it in the coconut oil, and then put it on your horse's hooves. It also works really well as a mane and tail conditioner, and coconut oil is my most favorite thing to use with my horses. I love coconut oil. Can't beat the price either. Hack number 3. If you're worried about your horse getting eaten alive or his legs getting eaten alive and he's always stamping his feet around during the summertime when the fly season is bad, take an old pair of socks and put them on your horse. And you don't want to put the toes on, so you just cut those off. And now you have leg protection for your horse. Use the old socks because the new socks might not be stretchy enough, but they work really great. Hey, look, I just made sleeves too. Now I have sun protection for myself. That's a bonus hack. Hack number 4 is another one of my favorites. Using vinegar in your barn. Vinegar is amazing. There are so many different things that you can use vinegar for. I don't know if you watched my video how I made homemade fly spray, but vinegar is a major part of making homemade fly spray. It also works really well if you're cleaning out your buckets to get all of the crud out of your buckets, and it also helps to reduce the algae that will get in your big water troughs. So I use vinegar when I'm cleaning the horses' buckets for where their grain is, as well as for their water trough where they drink their water from. And another thing you can use vinegar for, I made fly spray with it for their stalls, but you can also use vinegar for just in their stalls. You can spray vinegar on the ammonia spots where they pee, and this will help to deodorize and get rid of that odor. So vinegar is an awesome addition to your barn. It's very inexpensive, like $2.75 for a gallon, and that'll last you a really long time. And my 5th and final hack is kind of a DIY, but a lot of times I find I don't have enough blanket holders. So what I did was take some twine, which if you have a horse, you have a ton of twine, and some PVC pipe, and I made a blanket rack. So this way I can hang up I could use it for saddle pads. I could use it for their heavy winter blankets, which is what I usually use them for, or even like a rain sheet, whatever you want. You can make a really cool blanket rack to hang up horse blankets, saddle pads, whatever, and you can make it any size you want, just with a piece of PVC pipe and some twine. So those are my 5 equestrian hacks. What is your favorite equestrian hack? Leave a comment down below and tell me what your favorite hack is. And if you want to learn more about horse-related DIYs and how you can be a budget equestrian, start now by hitting the round subscribe icon so you don't miss anything. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.